Welcome, I'm from ZTE Nubia N1 Lite, and today I'll show you how to set up and use the portable hotspot. So to get started, we'll need to open up Settings, and from here tap on More and choose Tethering and Portable Hotspot, and then tap on the first option, Wi-Fi Hotspot. So from here you have the toggle to enable it, but you should probably first start by changing, for instance, the Wi-Fi network. So let's tap on Set Up Wi-Fi Hotspot, and you have password right here. As you will see when I tap right here, the password by default is just complete random set of numbers and letters. So you can completely remove it and set up your own that you will not struggle with remembering. So the only thing that it needs is at least 8 characters in length, and that's it. Now I set it with numbers, but you can use letters or whatever you want, just a typical password kind of thing. And security option here, I would keep it as it is, otherwise your network won't be secured, so that password will not be needed and anybody can connect to it. And then below that you have the AP band. It looks like it's only supporting 2.4 gigahertz, so you don't really have choice here. And then you also have at the very bottom maximum number of users that can connect to your hotspot at once, and this can be changed from 1 to 8. So choose whatever number you see fit that will work for this. For me, 1 is just good enough. If you need more people to connect to it at the same time, change it. And from there, once everything is set, tap on Save, enable it through here, and if I pull it down, there we go. You can see that there is the notification if it wouldn't close. So there it is, tethering or hotspot active. It shows you right now how many people are connected, which is 0, and how many people are blocked, because you can also block people from connecting. And yeah, that is basically how you'd set it up. Well, that's interesting. Disregarding the device not working very well right now and the notification panel not disappearing, this is how you would basically enable the hotspot. And once you want to disable it, you'd have to go back to the same place where you have enabled it and simply turn it off, or tap on the notification right here, which is completely frozen right now, so this won't really work. But you can tap on it and from here disable it. Maybe. Okay, this doesn't really seems to work right now, so yeah, like I said, you can disable it from here or either through the setting. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.